Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum application not working on the TV. So if the Spectrum application is not working on your TV, if it is freezing or crashing or refusing to load, you can just simply try these easy fixes. So in our first fix, what you need to do is you need to simply restart your TV. For that, first of all, turn off your TV completely. After that, unplug it from the power outlet. Then simply wait for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and you just have to turn it on. Now you need to open the Spectrum application again. Most of the time, the problems disappear right with the help of this particular step alone. But in your case, if the issue still persists, you can just simply try the second method, in which you just have to simply check the internet connection. So the Spectrum application depends entirely on the stable internet connection. So you can just simply use the search bar here on the top right hand corner. After that, you can search for the apps like YouTube, or you can search for Netflix. So if those applications also struggle, it means that your internet connection is likely the issue. If that's the case, you just have to restart your router if it is needed. Even small network instability can prevent the Spectrum application app from loading. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try the third method, in which you just have to force close and reopen the app. So smart TVs often keep the applications running in the background. So you just have to close the Spectrum application completely, then simply reopen it. So this is going to clear any type of temporary loading glitches. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.